Your 2016 Ford key fob likely needs a new battery every 2 to 4 years, depending on usage and environment. Fortunately, replacing it is a simple DIY task. The fob uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery, commonly available for $1 to $5. You'll also need a small flathead screwdriver or prying tool. To begin, locate the small notch on the key fob. Gently insert the screwdriver into the notch and pry the two halves of the case apart. Some models may have a hidden latch that needs to be pressed while prying. Be careful not to apply too much force to avoid cracking the plastic casing. With the key fob open, you'll see the CR2032 battery on the circuit board. Use the screwdriver to carefully pop out the old battery. Avoid contact with the circuit to prevent static damage. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive plus side facing up, matching the marking on the circuit board. Ensure it's securely seated. Snap the two halves of the key fob case back together until you hear a click. Test the buttons to ensure they're responsive. In most cases, reprogramming isn't needed, but if the fob doesn't work, refer to your owner's manual or a Ford dealer for reprogramming instructions. Dispose of the old battery properly as e-waste.